Alright everybody, I just got a package in and I don't know what it is. But it comes from... Where does it come from? It comes from somewhere in Quebec. Okay, so it says eton on there. Not exactly sure what this is, so we're going to open up and find out. Okay. And yeah, you're all cringing at the way that I open things. That's fine, but I have a cell phone in my hand, so whatever. Okay, oh, airbags. Can stuff these in some woman's bra. Wow, eh? Okay. Bra inserts, a whole bunch of bra inserts. Okay, what's this? Oh, this looks like the back part of the scooter. Okay, more bra inserts, okay. This is what we're after. Opening with one hand. Okay, now we have... Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. 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 We have the rear part of the scooter. So this part fits onto here, just like that. That's exactly what I was looking for, this part. Okay, so, I can see how it fits onto there. Alright, yeah, okay. This covers the wiring right there, because that only goes around that much. This goes around the entire way. Okay? This is nice. Look at it, it's shiny black even. Wow. No scuff marks whatsoever. This is a nice piece. It's been spray painted. See that? It's not an original part. It's been spray painted. Okay, we're going to put that on there when we get a chance.